Okay, Cal, let's do another definite integral. So I'm going to start with the u sub. So this right here is going to be the u. Let's see, that'll just leave us with negative x. We don't actually have a negative out front, so I have to move the negative to the other side. So the x and the dx together make a negative du. So it's negative e to the u du. All right, I'm going to integrate. Oh, let me not lose my limits. Right now they're x's. Okay, now I'm going to integrate this so you guys know what the integration of this is. This is just going to be itself. All right, now we're going to do the, right now this is a u, so it just depends. If you want to change the limits, you can come over here and change the limits. So I sort of like that. So if it's radical 2, so u equals to negative 1/2 radical 2 squared, so it's negative 1/2 times 2, which is negative 1. Okay, so this becomes a negative 1 is a u, and the other one, if x is 0, it's negative 1/2 0 squared, which is still 0. All right, so now I'm going to plug in them as u's. If you don't like what I'm doing, then you have to plug back in this whole thing for x and then plug in the x values. All right, so fundamental theorem of calculus. Negative e raised to the negative 1 minus a negative e raised to the 0. Okay, so this is going to be negative e to the negative 1 plus 1. There's really not much I can do with that. I'm just going to reformat it. That's actually the answer right there. I'm just going to reformat it. So 1 minus 1 over e, which is e minus 1 over e. Decided to format it like that, but if you leave it like that, that's absolutely fine. Okay? All right, so again, you're going to do the u sub first. When you do the u sub, you integrate the function. E is one of those functions that just, it integrates to itself. It also differentiates to itself. So this is me integrating it and then using the fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate it. Again, it's upper minus lower. Okay, gang. That's it for 5-5. I want you to try these and see how they go. I'll catch you again. I still want to do 5-7. We're not going to do much of 5-7, but I want you to see the logarithms. Okay, logarithms in terms of integration. Okay, catch you again soon. Bye.